Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore reply.io outreach automation when sequences break step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your reply.io account. Navigate to the Sequences tab on the left-hand sidebar. Locate the sequence that has broken or is not functioning as intended. Click on the sequence to open its details. Review any recent changes that may have caused the breakage. Check the recipients list to ensure it includes the right contacts. Examine the scheduling settings to confirm they are correct. Look for any pauses or stops in the sequence flow. If you find any errors, adjust the settings as needed. Make sure all emails are correctly formatted and contain relevant content. Test the sequence by sending a manual email to yourself. Evaluate the results of the test email for any issues. If the test is successful, go ahead and resume the sequence. Monitor the performance of the sequence post-restoration. If problems persist, consider reaching out to reply.io support for additional assistance. Keep a record of any changes made for future reference. This process will help ensure your outreach efforts remain consistent and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.